when I reached out to Dr. Ray, I was in a very lost, kind of dark place, and I was seeking out regular therapy, um, and I was looking for something a little bit more alternative, something a little bit more positive, I guess. And that's when I found Dr. Ray. I really liked it. There was no judgment, or it was less of labeling things and categorizing things. It was like, you don't have to call your depression depression. It's almost like changing the way you think about things and word things, so that it's not putting those negative connotations around everything. It's like, it's okay to be processing. It's okay to be going through what you're going through. It's, more than it's this heavy weight holding you down. It's something that you're working through and you're processing. So that was really cool. A big reason why I think I've gone past the place where I was before. So the changes I've seen since I had my sessions with Dr. Ray has been immense. It's been a few months, and just the difference of the depression that I had, quote unquote, waking up and feeling this heavy weight. I don't feel that anymore. I've gone past this crazy, intense relationship that I was in, and someone that I couldn't stop going back to and hurting myself with. And I've completely been able to get past that and not be in contact with the things that are bad for me. So it's been amazing in that sense. I've been able to be much more connected and grounded and calm, and manifested so many things in my life, like a new job and a new band, and just so many new opportunities have arisen since then.